We have all done it. You have a 50-page PDF or a dense nonfiction book to get through, so you feed it to an AI. In seconds, it spits out a bulleted summary. You get the main points, but a week later, you can barely recall a single detail. There is a vast difference between retrieving an answer and actually learning. Most reading apps are built to simply hand you an answer, but a new tool called ilmVault is built to train how you think. When we constantly outsource our comprehension to an algorithm, our own cognitive muscles start to atrophy. We lose the ability to sit with a difficult text, wrestle with the author's logic, and form our own conclusions. That is exactly what ilmVault is designed to fix. It acts as an AI reading coach, guiding you through a structured protocol designed to create genuine, deep understanding. Let's see how this thinking workout actually functions by taking a single passage of text and running it through 5 escalating cognitive lenses. Here is the ilmVault interface. It allows you to import your entire digital library of EPUBs and PDFs directly into one centralized workspace. Once your book is open, the process begins by isolating a specific, complex paragraph, perhaps an argument you disagree with, or a claim that seems completely counterintuitive. You apply the first lens, understand. The AI coach prompts you to verify if you grasped the author's claim. This forces a hard stop, preventing passive skimming. Next is the Analyse lens, which assists in breaking the argument apart to locate hidden assumptions. Completing these first 2 steps ensures you are working with a clear, logical map of the text, rather than relying on a vague impression. Reading should have a bit of friction. You need to interrupt the flow of incoming data to properly engage your own judgment. That brings us to the Reflect lens. The AI demands to know where you stand first. Then, the Challenge lens generates a strong counterargument, the ultimate stress test. Finally, the Apply lens helps you identify one specific, practical action based entirely on your analysis. After pushing a passage through these 5 lenses, you move past basic recall. You have fully integrated the concepts into your own mind. Now, imagine taking that level of rigorous analysis and scaling it across a library of 100 books. These insights are not trapped in isolated files. They form a unified, searchable vault. Through the Research Hub, you can ask a question or search for a concept and apply these analytical lenses across every text you own simultaneously. Because your data is completely portable, you can seamlessly export your tagged highlights and detailed analytical notes straight to a CSV or Markdown file for your own personal archives. With an active coach inside every book, reading shifts away from a chore of mindless consumption. It becomes a highly targeted mental workout. It is time to stop letting algorithms do your thinking for you and start reclaiming your ability to critically evaluate the world. You can start your first thinking workout today. The free tier gives you 10 books, full access to the Understand lens, and 1 GB of storage with no credit card required.